Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by removing coins, tissues, and anything that could rupture a pack. Next, choose the cycle and temperature the garments require. The pack dissolves best in warm water but can work in cold. Place the pack directly into the drum. Do not put it in the drawer, with clothes on top to prevent it from getting trapped. Once done, start the machine immediately so the shell dissolves evenly and releases detergent throughout the wash. You should load evenly to allow water flow around the pack. Overfilling blocks dissolution. Make sure the pack sits near the drum center, tucked under fabric so agitation exposes it to water. This is why placement matters. If you need pre-wash, use a different detergent. The pack is formulated for the main wash and can underperform if pre-wash draws water away. Once the cycle begins, monitor the first few minutes occasionally. You finish by inspecting clothes for undissolved film. Fabrics should feel residue-free. If you spot residue, run a short warm rinse or a gentle wash with no extra detergent and add 1/2 cup vinegar to help break down leftover film. Make sure to dry garments as label directs. If a pack tears before use, discard it. If it tears inside the drum, remove contents and rewash. Finally, store packs sealed and dry. This prevents clumping and accidental dissolving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.